Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Motorola. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on OK in this pop-up. Click on while using the app and select Allow. Finally, you can start your recording by tapping on this red button. Then, if you see Permission Request, click on Yes. Tap on Recorder and click on this little icon next to Allow to Not Disturb. Then select Allow one last time and tap on the back button. Finally, tap on the red button again to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the square one on the right. Type in wherever you wish to in Add Title section. And from here you can delete your recording right away by choosing Delete at the bottom left corner, or save it by hitting Save at the bottom right one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select the spin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to manage more recording options, click on this gear icon at the top right corner as well and adjust all of them however you wish to, like quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!